Stunned silence. Cop arrested with fake gun at Trelawny checkpoint, court date looms. Police officer Jason Harris was charged after being caught with an imitation gun at the Trelawny checkpoint. Shocking details inside. Full story at 876newsja.com. In a shocking turn of events, a 32-year-old police officer, Jason Harris, from Grove Road in St. Andrew, found himself on the wrong side of the law. Harris has been formally charged with possession of a prohibited weapon after a routine vehicular checkpoint on Rock Main Road in Trelawny took an unexpected twist on Thursday, August 15. According to reports from the Falmouth Police, the incident unfolded at approximately 8:20 a.m. when law enforcement officers were conducting a standard checkpoint along the busy thoroughfare. As part of their duties, they signaled a motorist to stop, a directive that was promptly obeyed. What started as a routine check quickly escalated when officers, during a search of the vehicle and its occupants, made a startling discovery. Tucked into the waistband of the driver, who was later identified as Constable Jason Harris, was an imitation firearm. The presence of this fake weapon immediately raised alarm bells, leading to Harris's arrest on the spot. The situation has left many in disbelief, as Harris, who is sworn to uphold the law, now faces serious charges. He was swiftly transported to the Falmouth police station, where he was officially charged with possession of a prohibited weapon. This unexpected turn of events has sent shockwaves through the law enforcement community and the public alike. Constable Harris was scheduled to appear in court on Friday, August 16, where he will face the charges brought against him. The outcome of this case could have far-reaching implications for his career and the public's trust in the police force. As this case continues to unfold, the public remains eager for updates. The implications of a police officer being caught with an imitation firearm raise serious concerns about the integrity of those entrusted with enforcing the law. The broader questions surrounding this incident will likely be a topic of discussion in the days to come. Stay tuned to 876newsja.com for continuous updates on this developing story and more as we follow the latest in this shocking series of events. As always, we thank you for choosing us as your trusted news source.